Imagine spending money on producing Tigernut drink only to wake up and discover that your entire batch has spoiled, or your customer called that the Tigernut you supplied them is spoiled or drawy. The problem may not be your Tigernut. Here are 7 mistakes you need to stop making while producing Tigernut drink. You need to watch this video till the end because number 7 is the common mistake most people make while making Tigernut drink. Hi everyone, welcome back to kristyyumfoods. If you love food and drink tips, healthy recipes, baking, business ideas and active lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. So now let's get into it. The first reason will be poor hygiene. Your hands, utensils, blender, sieve and work surface must be properly cleaned. Poor hygiene can introduce microorganisms that cause spoilage. So when producing drink for customers, you shouldn't only be thinking about how delicious the drink will taste. You also need to think about how clean the entire production process is. And here is number 2. Your bottles aren't properly cleaned. This is another reason. If your bottles are not properly cleaned, don't just rinse your bottles and assume they are ready. Poorly cleaned bottles can contaminate your drink. Your bottles need proper cleaning and handling before you fill them. And don't forget the caps too, because the cap comes into contact with the bottle opening. If your production process is clean, but your packaging isn't properly handled, you have created another opportunity for contamination. And here is the third reason. Poor water quality. The water you use matters a lot because about 90% of your Tigernut drink consists of water. So if the water isn't safe, you're introducing contamination into your drink from the start. Like I said, water is the major ingredient in Tigernut drink, so you shouldn't treat it with an afterthought. So when you're producing for business, pay attention to every ingredient, not just the Tigernut. So make sure the water you're using is safe and suitable for drinking. Don't use questionable water simply because you're going to process or refrigerate the drink afterwards. Also, don't leave your water exposed while you're producing. Keep it covered and handle it with clean utensils. So don't joke with the water aspect at all. And here is the fourth reason. Leaving it at room temperature for too long. Tigernut drink is highly perishable. The longer it stays out of proper refrigeration, the faster spoilage can occur. And here is the fifth reason. Cross contamination after production. You have produced a clean batch, but then you're touching bottles' mouth, caps or the drink with unclean hands or equipment. That is another opportunity for contamination. This is especially important if you're producing in large quantities for customers. So after production, you need to think about quickly getting it into appropriate cold storage and how you're keeping it cold afterwards. Don't produce today and casually leave your bottle sitting around for hours without proper temperature control. And here is another one. Poor storage temperature. Simply putting it in a refrigerator isn't enough if the storage temperature isn't consistently cold enough. Quickly, before talking about number 7th reason, which is the common mistakes most people make. If you have been making these mistakes that I have mentioned so far because nobody properly taught you the right process, that is exactly why I created my Tigernut drink business class. I am not just teaching you how to make Tigernut drink, I am teaching you how to make it properly, package it, preserve it, quality, pricing, and turn it into a profitable business. So if you are serious about starting or improving your Tigernut drink business, don't keep learning by trial and error. Join my Tigernut drink business masterclass. Check the link in the description box below to register. Now back to number 7. Poor handling during packaging and selling. This is very common. Opening, transferring and repeatedly handling your bottles can introduce contamination and reduce its shelf life. Do you know that you can do everything right during production and still shorten the quality of your drink by handling it carelessly afterwards? Touching the inside of the bottle cap with unclean hands, using containers that haven't been properly cleaned, leaving filled bottles exposed, repeatedly opening and transferring the drink unnecessarily, poor temperature control during delivery or selling, and that is why I created the Tigernut Drink Business Masterclass to guide you every step of the way to the delivery. Now, be honest, which of these 7 mistakes have you been making while producing your Tigernut drink? Please drop your comments in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you. Also, if you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of ebooks and online classes covering baking, cooking, Tigernut drink, healthy beverages, hair treatment, and face and skincare recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourself or turn into a profitable business. Check the description box below to get the link now. Save this video, and if you want to learn more, like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Comment and also share for more healthy and delicious recipes. I also have different Tigernut drink videos on my channel. Do check the link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.